to make some Minecraft video. Well, this is not a typical Minecraft video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server and allow your friends to play on it. First thing before you do anything, you gotta be able to have the Minecraft server software. To get this, open your web browser, whatever web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, or Google Chrome. You'll need to go to Minecraft.net. Don't worry about being logged in. You don't need to be logged in. Just go down to the downloads right here and click download. Now, if you've already installed Minecraft, don't worry about downloading the Minecraft for Windows or any of the other platforms. Go ahead and go down to the Minecraft server and download the first one for Windows, if you have Windows. After you have downloaded it, then you need to open where it is. So you need to open the folder of where it is. Sorry, my computer's being kind of weird. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a new folder on your desktop. I have it here, and I've already... Oh, come on. I've already copied it over, but you're going to want to either copy it or drag it over. Okay. Then when you're here, go ahead and run it. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically start making files in the folder of which you put the Minecraft server in. And it will take you just a while to actually get it made. So just be patient with it. And now it is done. When it is done, it might give you, like, has time changed, or it might give you an error after. Don't worry about that. Just type in stop down here at this, and it'll stop the server. Now, it might take you a minute to actually stop the server. The first time to stop the server is the longest, so just be patient with it. It should stop soon. Alright. The next thing you want to do is open your start menu and open CMD. Okay. Yeah, so open CMD, and you need to run it as an administrator to be able to use the command I'm telling you to use. It shouldn't damage your computer as long as you're doing what I'm telling you. If you start messing with other codes, then you might do some damage to your computer. So only do what I tell you to. Alright, so you'll open it up and you'll get a window. You get a window like this. You need to type this in. You need to type ipconfig. ipconfig. It figures out your IP. Now you need to come up to the very first I4 or IPv4 address. You need to get that, which in this case it's 192.168.1.101. Now if you have a modem, you have a possibility of 192.168.0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. But yeah, so don't get it mixed up with the IPv6 address, which is much longer. Takes a lot longer to do stuff with that one. So you're going to want to use this one, Now I have two networks that my computer connects to, and that's why it's showing this one and this one. You're going to want to make sure it's the one that you're connecting to, and you should only have one set of numbers like this, and then some stuff that comes down like this. But then you want to get that, okay? You're going to need that, so write it down. Okay, then you're going to want to open your Minecraft, open your Minecraft, or your web browser, sorry. Now I'm going to show you how to do this two different ways. This is called port forwarding. Now there's a way to do it with a router or a modem. In my case, I have a modem that runs as a router. Some people have just a router that connects to the phone line and does that. Now if you have that, type in, and you have a Linux one, type in 192.168.1.1, and me, it just lets me in because I've already typed in the password, but sometimes it'll pop up with a prompt asking for a username and password. You'll need to type that in, figure that out. Sometimes it's on the bottom of your modems or router, and you'll need to type that in. If it's not, ask a parent or find your administrator who runs your internet for you, and they will get it for you or type it in for you. Alright, after you're in, I have Linux by Cisco. You'll need to go to Applications and Gaming. At this point, it's pretty much the same for most all of them, but some are different. Type in whatever it is. Like I have here, it says Minecraft server. I just named it that. You can name it Minecraft, whatever you want to do it. The starting port is 1255565. No, sorry. It's 25565. 25565. Both of them need to be 25565. You need to set this to both. And then whatever that number you wrote down, you need to put in here. So it will automatically put that in for you, and then you need to put that in. Okay? So yeah. Alright. And then click Enable and Save Settings, and then you want to skip forward to wherever this little thing that pops up right there tells you. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you how to do it with the modem version. If you have a Quest or a CenturyLink modem, it's going to be 192.168.0.1. Now, it might ask for administrative thing again. You'll need to get that. It might be on the bottom or whatever. Okay, and then you'll need to go to Advanced Setup and go to Port Forwarding down here. You'll see it down there in that right corner. Right there. Be under Security. And then you'll need to type in the information here. Starting port, ending port, TCP, then that address that you wrote down. Okay? And then you'll need to type in the full thing. So like the 192.168.1 or 0.234, whatever it is. Sorry, yeah. Whatever you wrote down, then you'll apply it, and you'll get one of these that says right here 192.168.0.2 blah blah blah, done. And then you'll need to come in here, and you'll need to do it again, but then set it to UDP and type all the information in and apply, and then you get two of them like this, and then you'll be done. Don't worry about the remote. You don't need to worry about that. I set it up because I actually use a remote thing on my computer, so yeah. Alright, so after you've done that, there's a couple things that I'll be going over now. One thing is essential, the next thing that I'm going over. The others are optional. You don't need to really worry about those. You can do whatever you want with those. but whatever. So now you're going to want your friends to be able to join in your game. Okay, one thing you need to note is if you are using a modem and you're using this, make sure your computer is connected to your modem wirelessly or hardwire, either works, but make sure it's connected to your modem and not the router. I have a router and a modem, but I connect to my modem when I'm running a server. Okay, then you'll come here and you go type in IP chicken. Sorry, my computer's being stupid. .com. Okay, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you a number. Mine is blacked out, but whatever number is here, it will be in blue. Whatever that number is, you need to write it down, and that's the number you need to give your friends. Now, one thing to note is, let me find my, where is it? There it is. One thing to note is, when they type in your thing on Minecraft, when they type it in, that's mine. Like mine. Oh no. Okay. Sorry. Okay. When they type this in, they need to do the :25565. Minecraft requires that now. It didn't used to, but now they have to have the 25565. But you need to give them that address there. So, yep, that's basically what you need to do. Make sure they have the 25565 at the end of it, and that's what they need to do. Now I'm going to show you some advanced stuff in here that will help you with protecting your server. Alright, now when you open your server properties here, you can change your world, whichever world you want it to be. You can put a world folder into this folder here, and then type in the world's name. And then, let's see, what else is there? You can decide if it's online, so online is the best to do, but if somebody doesn't actually have an account, one of your friends doesn't have an account, go ahead and make everyone that has an account join the game, then turn off the server and then turn it to offline, or then set this to false here, and then go back to, oh, crap, there we go. Sorry, then go and have everyone join again. You can go ahead and play. Okay, you can set the PvP difficulty. I typically like it at 1 or 0. You can change it to whatever you want, hardcore or whatever. Maximum players that can play, mine's 20. My computer actually, that's the default. I set it at 20, the default, because I can have a lot of people on without much lag. You can do the view distance, don't worry about changing that, but whatever. Now, if you want to protect your server, make sure only your friends can get on. You're going to want to come here and set that to true, and then save it. File, save, okay. Then you'll come to this whitelist and type in whatever their names are. I'm just typing random stuff, but let's say those were their names, and that's how they're gonna join. And that will whitelist them, and then you can set ops. Where's my folder? You can set ops in the ops folder here, so you'll want to put your own. Mine is, you can set your own, you need to put your own name in there, and then you can have your friends ops also, so you can type your friends' names in there also. Or in the game, if you're already you need to have yourself as an op, but in the game, if you are already an op, you can add them to the op list by typing / op, whatever their name is, and that would work. I'm not saving any of this because this isn't my server, but yeah, so that's basically how it works. If you have any difficulties or questions or whatever on how to do anything, leave a comment or email me. I'll leave my email in the description, and hopefully this works, and hopefully you guys can make your servers and play with your friends. It's really fun. I got it to work for me and my friends, and we play all the time. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.